Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making strawberry mousse made with fresh strawberries and a few simple ingredients. Strawberry mousse is often used in seasonal special cakes sold at many bakeries in Japan during spring. This strawberry mousse is simple and so easy to make at home. These are the ingredients. If you can't get good fresh strawberries, you can also use frozen ones. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Remove the stems of strawberries and cut in quarters. Put the strawberries in a pot, add the sugar, and cook for a couple of minutes at medium heat. Cover and cook at low heat for a few minutes until all the fruit juice is released. Uncover, add the lemon juice, and cook for 5 more minutes at medium-low. Then let cool for a few minutes. Sprinkle the gelatin in water and mix a bit, and let gelatin bloom for 5 minutes. Stir the gelatin into the cooked strawberries while still hot and let completely melt. Transfer to a blender or a food processor and puree the strawberry and gelatin mixture. Pour out into a bowl and cool the puree using an ice bath like that, stirring constantly until cold and thick. Whip heavy cream to soft peaks and set aside a couple of tablespoons of whipped cream for decoration later in a piping bag. Add the whipped cream to the strawberry mixture and mix well. Make sure to cool strawberry puree well before mixing with the whipped cream or it will melt the cream. Pour into 4 to 6 serving cups equally. We use a piping bag to pour, much easier than using a spoon. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Garnish with whipped cream and strawberry halves. A glass filled with fruity and creamy mousse is a perfect ending to a meal. Hope you will enjoy this delicious dessert.
美味しい。
美味しいね。